The Chakra Bible, The Definitive Guide to Working with Chakras by Patricia Mercier. If you're the type of healer who prefers a more hands-on, didactic, need-to-feel-it-to-see-it approach, this is the chakra book for you. The Chakra Bible, The Definitive Guide to Working with Chakras definitely lives up to its comprehensive name as a guide to working with. This book is made for all levels of chakra students, but gives special attention to those who prefer to experience and do first, rather than read information and then try it out later. This detailed guide provides your typical informational introduction to each chakra, but then spends a significant amount of time on the how and less of the why of the chakras. This Chakra Bible, The Definitive Guide to Working with Chakras, stands out from the rest by teaching readers how to work with their own chakras by getting in touch with them through various modalities such as crystals, yoga, movement, aromatherapy, meditation, aura reading, and energetic techniques. Additionally, this book features helpful charts and illustrations to show you how to do specific healing and balancing techniques, some of which are similar to Reiki healing. What's also great about this comprehensive hands-on guide is that it doesn't require you to read the whole thing. You can pick and choose your own chakra adventure without having to read every single page.